Do you really think it's a good idea to leave the European Union if the UK economy is in or just coming out of a very deep recession?
I think, you talked about, should we still leave the European Union, I think. I mean, we have left the European Union. That has happened. What we're doing now is just negotiating the final terms of our trading arrangements. That work is carrying on. And David Frost, the Prime Minister's chief Sherpa in this regard, held talks earlier this week with the deputy counterpart over at the EU. They've exchanged legal text. They've set out some clarifications that they both wanted from each other. And indeed, I think David is talking to his direct counterpart either later this week or next week to plan the next steps for the meetings and continue negotiations over April and May. So I think we remain committed to the timeline of concluding those talks and negotiations. That work is happening, albeit over video conference rather than in person. I think that's pretty clear statement of where we are on that.